Today is Monday and I'm in the trade, yeah? It's very beautiful Monday and let's see if this trade we're gonna play it out. I won't make too many analysis because my trading is very simple. I try not to trade against the traders, yeah? So basically the price action start moving his way back down, yeah? And I wouldn't consider that structures. So basically the price action make this huge impulse to the upside, yeah? The price action came here, starting consolidating. That means if he would want to go down, he just would go straight through, yeah? But he start basically consolidating. I enter a trade and I'm expecting to take these highs. Yeah, it's very simple because kind of had the consolidation right here. So I'm expecting to take this high. The reason why I'm thinking like that, very simple. We hear the EMAs, they cross down, they're moving downwards, and a lot of people knows here is a sell opportunity, yeah? Then plus, with all of that, we're seeing here all these supply and demand traders from here, yeah? Also good, yeah? They also taking trades. And plus, you could say here we had the fair value gap, which are the ICT traders, yeah? They also enter a short. So usually 99% or 95%, whoever of traders, they lose money. It doesn't really matter. That's like EMA traders, ICT traders, like everybody just keep losing. So I just consider myself to be not the smartest guy because I still taking losses. And I feel more comfortable when I'm taking against the trend or against the other people. I mean, I do really think that's like not that smart, but still that works for me and I kind of feel comfortable because all the time when I used to do everything properly to keep my strategy in place and everything consistent, I used to keep getting stopped out all the time. And my point is, if I'm following all my rules and keep getting stopped out, why would I just go against myself? So the reason why I'm saying is because I already tried all those concepts like ICT, EMAs, supply and demand, everything I tried. And at the end, I wasn't profitable. So I just decided to go against all of those. So that's my point of this video, yeah? I did take a trade on buys. I do hope like the price action, we're gonna take this out. If it's gonna move down, just we're gonna stop me out and it is what it is. It wasn't my day. So I do really hope the price action to develop on my way. The only thing what we can do right now is just to wait for the development of the price action. So stay tuned as usual. Don't forget to like this video, please. It's sad to say, guys, but unfortunately we did hit our stop loss again and again and again. And welcome to the trading world, yeah? The problem with this trade, yeah, is nothing too crazy. We were sitting here at the key zone. We kind of start making our move back up and we enter a trade, yeah? But unfortunately, I was right again about the bias, about the target that we were about to hit maybe by the New York session. But unfortunately, the price action decided to consolidate overnight, yeah, very beautifully, making his move down and then smash to the stop loss and shoot up. That's what the price action does a lot of time. There's nothing what we can do about it because sometimes you're gonna say, okay, I'm gonna wait for the consolidation to take me off, but you never know. Sometimes the price action takes off just a little bit, then moves up. Sometimes it takes even more and then moves up. And sometimes the price action doesn't even wait for that and just shoot up straight away. The problem with that is because we never know how the price action will develop itself. The only thing what we can do is just to take a trade, stay consistently, follow our rules, and just to hope that we're gonna make it. We're gonna have to deal with this losing streak because right now I'm sitting on the losing streak. I'm sitting on 5 trades in a row. But I just know for sure the price action will eventually go my way in one day, and I'm gonna start getting my winning streak also. And that's what we have to deal as a trader every single day, every single time, on every single trade decision that we're making. So yeah, guys, that's it for the video. Wait for more of this content. If you do really like these videos, guys, make sure you're gonna like it. Follow me if you want like to see when my streak ends up. And yeah, guys, I do really hope the price action might gonna take this high, and then we're gonna make our turn back down and take this low. But we will see how this price action will develop. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for the next one. Peace and love, guys. I'm out.